doing repairs on my daughter's house. We're going to do a California patch for this hole that's already existing. See if we can make it look a little better. So the first part is to mark out an exact square so you're able to transfer it onto a new piece of drywall. So I already marked it out, cut it out with a box cutter, and get to the next step. All right, now that we have that cut out, we have the dimensions of 3.5 by 7. So on this new piece of drywall, I'm going to cut it an inch bigger on each side. So from 3.5 by 7, we go to 5.5 by 9, and you'll see why in just a minute. So in cutting drywall, this piece I score across the line that I need with this box cutter, and then I can just snap that, cut from the back side to cut the paper off, and then I have the patch that I need. So now on my patch, remember I needed 3.5 by 7. I'm going to measure in 1 inch on each side and score that with the box cutter again. After you score this, you just snap it, and then you're going to peel the paper. Slowly peel the paper off and get rid of this excess gypsum board or drywall. And the paper is going to do what tape normally does when we put it inside the hole. It's going to be our tape. Alright, you want to countersink these drywall screws a little bit so they don't pop out. I'm going to use this, just a regular paint stick from Home Depot. Start it in the wall.
What's the ratio of powder to water?
Just till it looks right, basically. So it's like a thick pancake batter. See, the nail holes, the screw holes we use to hold it in with the sticks is covered. So we finished this patch. We have a second coat of mud. We sanded in between coats. We're going to do a final sand before we paint it. But before we do that, they also put a hole. This is the prior owners. They wanted to run cables for the TV through the wall. Instead of putting a tube in that you can get at Home Depot, they just cut holes in the wall. So my daughter has started to do this one on her own. So after she patches this one, we'll do final paint, and then we'll show you the results in a short video that'll come out in about a week.